Aniceto Nano's YouTube channel, and you are watching our 51st live stream music recital. And today, we'll be listening to music performances from my piano and voice students. And now, please welcome Kaya.
Hello everyone, my name is Kayan, a piano student at Nanyo Studio, Music Studio. I am from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Special shout out to my mom, Rochelle, my dad, Christian, and my two little brother.
congratulations, Kayan. Let's have our awarding of certificate at this moment. Stand up, stand up. And before we do that, we want to shout out our viewers online. So one by one, we will try to shout them out. The first one is Kamareng Jeannie or Jean. Pogi naman and super galing ni Kuya Kayan. And the other one is Alison Safiranian. Great job. And sabi ni Noel S. Galing naman ni Kuya Kayan. And from Mrs. Solivaco. Wow, we are so proud of you, Kayan. Thank you so much for tuning in. And from Mommy, go Kayan. And we are coming from Daddy Christian Leonard Carpio. Good luck, Kayan. Alright, and thank you so much. 14 million viewers in the house. Ang dami, Kayan. 14 million. Can you imagine that, viewers? Can you say hi to them? Say hi.
Hi.
Right. Did you enjoy his performance? Of course, we all do. And now we will now proceed to our awarding of the certificate. So let's start with the certificate of achievement. So this certificate of achievement is proudly presented to Mjolnir Kayan D. Carpio for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 1 Sight Reading Theory Lesson Technique and Artistry. Let's give a hand to Kayan. Alright. And for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season's live stream music recital, given this 22nd day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos MacDDS, LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr., MBA, LPT. So this is for you. Okay, hold it. And now we're moving on to the next certificate. All right, now let's move on. So this is what we call the Piano Adventures Exam Certificate. So Piano Adventures Exams, Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This hereby certifies that Mjolnir Kayan is officially awarded the Level 1 Exam Certificate for Excellence in Theory, dated February 20, 2025, from Faber Piano Adventures, signed by the owners of Piano Adventures itself, Nancy Faber and Randall Faber, and of course, Teacher Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. So this is for you. And now we will invite Mommy and Daddy and your brother, Alex, to be here. So come here po para makita po tayo sa screen. Move tayo ng konti backward. Okay, si Daddy po siguro dito, or si Mommy dito. Si Daddy dito. May kasha, alright? Okay. So mag-ano tayo, mag-shout out tayo. And, let's say, kaya ba, kasha? Okay, screenshot tayo. Doon tayo tingin sa camera. Alright, screenshot tayo. Smile on 3. Yes. Smile on 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. That's it. Thank you so much. And congratulations, Kayan. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. And thank you so much, guys. And kindly tune in for our next performer. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Bye-bye. Bye.